In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design a Canva poster. We'll walk through the entire process from opening Canva to customizing your design, so by the end you'll have a polished poster ready to share or print. I'll keep things simple and clear, so even if you're new to Canva, you can follow along easily. First, open your browser and go to the Canva website. Make sure you're logged into your account, or create a free one if you haven't already. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the button that says Create a Design. It's usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you tell Canva what kind of project you're working on. In the search bar that appears, type in presentation. Even though we're making a poster, choosing a presentation layout can give you a nice wide canvas to work with, which is great for designing visuals that really stand out. As you type, Canva will start suggesting different formats and sizes. You can pause for a moment and let those load. Next, select the presentation option that appears. When you click it, Canva will open a new design tab with a blank presentation or a list of templates on the side. This is your main workspace where you'll build your poster. Take a second to familiarize yourself with the layout. Your canvas in the center, tools on the left, and options across the top. Now it's time to add photos to your design. On the left-hand side, you'll see a panel with different tabs like templates, elements, and photos or uploads. To use your own pictures, click on Uploads, then upload images from your computer. If you'd rather use Canva's built-in library, click Photos and search for an image that matches your theme. Once you find a photo you like, drag and drop it onto your canvas. You can resize it by dragging the corners and move it around until it fits your layout. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts that Canva provides. You'll see suggestions for adding text, changing colors, and adjusting your layout. If a tip pops up, read it and apply it to refine your design. Canva's prompts are designed to guide you step by step, so pay attention to them as you customize fonts, align your elements, and finalize your poster's overall look. When you're happy with everything, your Canva poster is ready to download, share, or print.